This task tip will discuss the configuration mode of the task administrator. The configuration mode provides information and tools to help you maintain your task system. Here you can view and maintain the event logs, maintain the hard disk space and the data files collected from the phone system, and set alarm parameters to make sure your task server continues to run smoothly. To begin, open the Task Administrator using the Administrator button on the Task console. The Task Administrator opens into the Database mode. Open the Configuration mode by clicking the Configuration button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. The Logs area is the first page to open. The Logs area lists warning and error events that may indicate problems with your task system. Warning events are indicated with a yellow exclamation point and typically are not that serious, but may impede the proper functionality of specific task programs. Error events are of a fatal nature to an application and are indicated with a red stop sign. Errors are caused by events that may prevent an application from starting or cause it to terminate unexpectedly, as well as note any license issues or networking problems. If you encounter problems with the functionality of your task software, the log section will help you discover the issue, as well as provide information that will be used by the task tech support when addressing the issues. Click the Maintenance button in the main control panel to open the Maintenance page. The Maintenance page provides tools for managing the disk space and the data files on the task server computer. The top of the Maintenance page shows the current status of the hard disk where the task data files are stored. The Disk Statistics section will calculate the number of days of storage you have left on your task server, helping you to make sure you never run out of disk space. The bottom of the Maintenance page provides tools to maintain the PBX data stored on the hard drive. The Archive Files tab will allow you to compress data files so that they take up less room on the hard disk. Checking the box Automatically Archive Data Files will open the Auto Archive Schedule window. Type in your domain name and computer login in the Run Operation As dialog box and click OK. A new window will open asking for your computer password. Provide your password, confirm it, and click OK. You have now set the task system to compress the data files based on the settings in the threshold box. Be sure to check the Delete Originals After Archiving box to delete the original PBX files that have just been compressed. The Manually Delete Files and Automatically Delete Files tabs allow you to choose settings that will delete data and summary files from your hard drive. To manually delete files, check the appropriate box for the files you wish to discard and click the Delete Now button. To automatically delete files, check the Auto Delete Task Files box and then check what files you wish to have deleted. The files will be deleted according to the same schedule as the archive files. Be very careful when using these features. The files are deleted according to the threshold section, and making the wrong choice could erase all of your task data. The last tab is Synchronize Shadow Files. This tool is only used if the PBX data files are stored on a computer other than the task server. The shadow will ensure that data is not lost due to networking issues by keeping a copy of 30 days worth of data files on the hard drive of the task server. Enable shadowing by clicking the Enable Shadowing box. Check the Enable checkbox under Automatic File Synchronization to automatically and seamlessly copy any files from the shadow directory that are missing from the network directory containing the PBX data. This feature follows the same schedule as the Archive Files feature. The Alarms page allows you to set parameters that can alert you to problems with your task system. The General Alarm section can alert you to when the hard drive on your task server is about to run out of space. The box for Available Disk Space Falls Below is checked by default and will set off an alarm when it falls below 5%. You can change this value using the arrow keys. Checking any critical error occurs will raise an alarm when any error event occurs and is logged in the logs. The Telephone System Alarm section will warn you when there is no data coming from your PBX. The No Messages Are Received After checkbox is marked by default and will raise an alarm if the task server does not record any information from the PBX in the set time. The default is 600 seconds or 10 minutes. You can tailor this alarm to only monitor data during your business's hours of operation. Set the monitor between times to the hours of the day your call center is open, and uncheck the days your office is closed. The alarm will not sound outside the indicated times, since these times are not critical to the collection of data. You can also check the "An error occurs in the CTI connection to your telephone system" to alert you to any problems with the data stream on the switch. The alarm itself can take any of three formats. It can play a sound on the task server, it can display a message, or it can send you an email. To have the task server automatically send you an email, check the box and enter your email address and the name or IP address of your email server. This is the most useful of alarm notifications. When finished making your selections, click the Save Changes button. You now know how to set your maintenance and alarm options in the configuration